One of the largest sources of water waste in the United States happens in a place we almost never think about: bathrooms. Every day, clean drinking water is flushed away in commercial restrooms across the country. Waterless systems already eliminate that usage, yet adoption has barely changed. So the real question is not whether we can save water, it is why buildings still hesitate to switch. The answer has nothing to do with water. It's plastic. Waterless urinals depend on plastic cartridges that must be replaced multiple times per year, but they don't fail on a predictable schedule. Replace them too early and usable plastic is thrown away, but if you replace them too late, complaints will appear. Facilities managers are forced to guess, and in commercial buildings, guesswork means risk. My name is John Confrey, and this is ClearFlow. Last summer, I worked at Falcon Water Technologies and saw that buildings avoid waterless systems not because they doubt sustainability, but because they cannot tolerate unpredictable maintenance. ClearFlow solves that problem. As the cartridge begins to fail, fluid flow slows down. ClearFlow places a small flow sensor inside of the housing of the cartridge and measures performance in real time. Instead of replacing cartridges on a schedule, facilities replace them only when performance actually drops. This enables just-in-time replacement and eliminates unnecessary disposal. This diagram shows why adoption is stalled. Tier 1 are current waterless users. They already adopted the technology, but they waste plastic through scheduled replacement. Tier 2 are the largest group, facilities still using flushing urinals. They are not rejecting sustainability, they are rejecting risk. If reliability cannot be predicted, they will not switch. Tier 3 are buildings that never consider waterless because performance cannot be measured. ClearFlow removes uncertainty, so Tier 2 adopts and Tier 3 becomes reachable. The market expands instead of competing for the same customers. Traditionally, there is a trade-off. Flushing systems are reliable but wasteful, and waterless systems are efficient but unpredictable. ClearFlow removes the trade-off by making sanitation measurable, increasing reliability while reducing costs and waste. That creates a new value curve rather than a better product. ClearFlow eliminates guest-based replacement, reduces plastic and maintenance labor, raises confidence in cost predictability, and creates real-time monitoring in a previously passive system. The industry shifts from plumbing hardware to managed infrastructure. The impact starts immediately. Across the United States, waterless urinals require about 750,000 cartridge replacements per year. ClearFlow reduces usage, preventing 27.8 metric tons, or almost 28,000 kilograms, of plastic waste annually. That's over 61,000 pounds of plastic every year. Facilities also save money because replacements and emergency maintenance drop. This is not a new expense, it removes waste, but the larger opportunity is adoption. There are over 11 million flushing urinals that have not converted because maintenance risk leads to complaints. When performance becomes predictable, switching becomes safe. If ClearFlow enables just a 1% conversion, billions of gallons of water are saved annually, and by eliminating unnecessary plastic waste, more facilities are willing to convert, creating a literal blue ocean of savings. I already built a working prototype by integrating a flow sensor from a tankless water heater into a waterless cartridge housing. The system successfully measured flow changes as the cartridge performance dropped. I also contributed to a patent application for this design that has been filed. From a business perspective, this expands the market rather than competing inside it. We monetize optimization of the existing installed base and conversion across the much larger flushing market. Low-cost hardware plus recurring service revenue allows national scaling and moves towards billion-dollar potential through adoption, not price increases. By adding data where competitors offer none, ClearFlow enables predictive maintenance and future smart building integration. ClearFlow removes unnecessary plastic waste, lowers operating costs, and unlocks large-scale water conservation by making sustainability reliable. That is why ClearFlow represents a true blue ocean opportunity.